What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekejt here and I am back with another video for you all. Now as you can see, your boy is right outside of the dollar tree. I don't know why this tree is blocking the dollar tree sign, but as you read from the title of the video, I am about to attempt, shut up and start to care for brother. I am about to attempt to buy Christmas present for my entire family from the dollar store, because y'all know man cheap. You see me, I say man they really have the bag of money there. You see me, I say man they have the Kyle and well, I'm not cheap. But I'm not rich yet, you see me? Jano, you care so old. Mama, Jano. But guys, if you are not from Jamaica, you already heard the accent. Yard man thing, but still watch the video. Subscribe if you all are new, smash a like. And we go to the dollar store now, you see me I say? Jano. Man, I left the camera and things like so I eat that, but I know me did the camera for vlog. Lock the car though. See the mustache I connect and thing people, you don't know things that are the large. Alright, so we're currently in the toys aisle. I don't know what to get. Like everything gone off of the shelf already, yo. Everything just gone. I don't see nothing that my little brother would like yet. But help me look, you see me? Alright. Okay. What? No. I don't see nothing that I know he was gonna like, yo. Be a little foolishness. This is not going good so far, for real. I ain't seen nothing like what my brother, I know my brother would like. Nothing at all. Bad man no want no shop. Yeah, man no want no strap. Get him a strap. No strap. Bad man no use the strap. It's light up. Nice. It's a 3+. Alright. Okay, so I got little man a light up glass and thing. Right now, finna go look something for mom. You know, that was a challenge getting something for Aiden. But light up man, see I put on that another night. You understand me? And I try to frighten people, so yeah, that's a good gift. That's a store. No for mommy. Old man aisle, don't it? Alright, over there. Oh no, what to get R? I'll come back and get some of them little this bag here or something, you know. Okay. Mr. I look like old man I used to give you RM something I know if nothing like something I can get for she. No. Definitely not. Check somewhere else. Oh my gosh. Getting her one of these right here. However, you don't know you can't get the one that look extra cheap. Or if so, get her 2. You understand? This is such a damn hard decision, people. But anyways. Alright then. So I will go so. Cause I used to some mother have them something here. Isn't it? So I get her one of them powder or something. She used to have this. You understand me? So I get her this. And what else? What else? What? What the hell is that? But when I get her this, need one more though. You can't just give her one. Okay. Probably get her. This is so. I don't know what woman wear. Wanna use? Me don't know. Probably get her a brush, you know? Look a fancy brush, Me don't know. Probably some lipstick. What is lipstick, you know? A fingernail, nail something them. What them name? Nail polish? Yes, nail polish. Alright. The mama that do her nails them, so I can get her some nail polish. Get her this. You don't know what color this one be? Get her that one, yeah. Yeah. Well, there we go. Got them 2 gifts for the low. Now I get 2 cheap bags to put in there because I ain't buying no wrap or no box. I don't. 2 cheap bags and drop in there 2 cheap bags. Put them name pointers and drop it on their Christmas tree, you see me? Okay. Now I'm feeling. I was just scrolling and I see some damn perfumes and shit. Like, fam, this is a better gift than them makeup something here. And the next thing she's not gonna know so the perfume actually come from the dollar store. You understand me? That if no one tell her, we're not gonna tell her I don't. Yeah. Okay, let's get her cheap. See that woman fragrance. I'm gonna get her cheap perfume or whatever. Street gray. Okay. So you don't know when you come in here if you go in that box or in the back. By Burberry. I get that and put back one of them. So she get 3 gifts then. You see me? I get her the makeup and so that means I need to get another thing to aid them to so. Rico brother. So I'll go back again and get something else for him again. Alright. Forward. Get him one of these just to prank people with. This feels so scary. Oh gosh. Why are you think about it? I prank him with this. I get him this stuff. And there we go. Get the bags now, people. So I passed a few gift bags on this side. Alright. Birthday. Happy birthday. I ain't looking for a birthday bag in this. Paw Patrol, what the hell is this? I don't know what is this, but I know he likes Paw Patrol, so I might get him this too. It's a puzzle thing, yeah. Him like Paw Patrol. Later I get that. We're done. Roll out. Yeah. What's up, peeps? Now as you can see, I just got my dollar store present them. No. Nobody come at me, yo. Like, come on. I'm not Bill Gates. I'm not rich. Okay? Yeah. I get the dollar store, give them out, put them in them respective bag. You understand? We got the light up mask for little bro. We got him some Paw Patrol. The puzzle thing them. I remember what them name. I don't remember. They put them together. Yeah. It's like a mat. And we got what else we got for Aiden? We got my little brother, this little creature, this ugly creature looking thing from what is that show called? Monsters. Some kind of monster something. I don't remember what name, but a monster cartoon. Scare monster cartoon. And we got mom this right here. She used to have a lot of these things. I don't remember what they use for. The foundation something. Yeah. Woman something. Yeah. And we got her little nail polish, you understand? What is that? Yes, nail polish, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. And we got a little cologne for her. Perfume. Woman fragrance. The perfect thing for Christmas. My mom don't stink. She doesn't smell. She's the best smelling mother in the world because she's my mom. But anyways, yeah. And we got some bags right here. Anyways, we got some bags right here to put the gifts in and thing from. So you don't know and cheat miss, like, yes. One of 2 bags. Yeah? Anyways, let's go. Alright. We'll give them up right. Not even I don't write my name on the bag them and thing. I have to go buy a paper. Yeah, know what's time. We can spend more money. Me cheap, you know, man. Anyway, so Aiden give them. Aiden gifts. Goes in this one right here. Alright, no, wait. So we have. Oh, and I bought a chocolate too. You understand me? Can't go wrong with chocolate. My mom love chocolate. My mom love. What am I do to you? What am I do to you? But anyways, my mom love chocolate. Wait, I'm lock the door. My mom loves chocolate thing. Chocolate. Anyways, gifts. So one gift to a box, that's what you tell me say. Alright, so this two and this. Bam. Under Christmas tree just like that. You see me I say? Next gift. Why the bag of move so shaky, man? Just buy a brand new bag, you know? Anyways, what else there? The mask now. I know I said the mask could hold in the damn bag, you know, man. I'm going to take up. Now I have to do that. Pull it back side. Pull it. Tell him a strap on thing. Let me see if I can put it on my big head. Oh, it light up. Them dead. Oh. But yeah, that's that. Sorry, Aiden, but you have to try on the mask for the one time, Aiden. I have to try your mask on for the one time. Put it in this. Got it in the bag or something? Yeah. There we go. Mommy time now. Like Jano Star. 2 bags for $1. You have to take the deal when you get the deal in that. You see me here? Alright, now what is that? What I'm going right here now? Alright, so we get the polish and thing. And we have the chocolate in that one thing, you see me I say? I'm get the nail polish in this too, you see me I say? And yeah, wait, what if this can hold in that, the color can hold in that too, you see me I say? Yeah, and that's how we go, you see me I say? 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 Whoa! Like nobody can tell me say, I don't know that's where this come from, watch it. Watch there. Right, nobody not gonna know so that's where it come from, but yeah, I got all the gifts right here, people. It's been a boy, Tyrekejt. Thank you for checking out my video, and peace out.